This YouTuber says one word per video and makes millions with it.
Julien Michel's channel is averaging around 500,000 views per day with more than 20,000 uploaded videos. He is definitely not following the unspoken rules of YouTube, yet he still succeeds. There are a few reasons behind this that are worth exploring because they can give us some clues about how YouTube is changing and how we can benefit from it. Julien Michel is a famous flying winemaker and wine specialist from France. He has a combined following of over 500,000 with 300,000 YouTube subscribers, and it is growing by more than 1,000 a day. So it would be an interesting experiment if everyone would comment the number of his current subscriber count to follow the growth. Julien started by uploading technical videos about wine, but soon found a better way to reach more people. When he made a few videos about the correct pronunciation of French wine regions, he discovered the power of the YouTube search engine. He started capitalizing on it, and his bet has paid off fabulously.
In 2019, he was averaging 5,000 views per week. Now he gets more than 4 million per week.
With a $5 RPM, that means $1 million per year. Business. In total, he has 150 million views on his main channel. So let's see how he did it. After he started producing the one-word pronunciation videos, they started to get some traction, since each of these words had a certain amount of search hits every day. He probably noticed it and doubled down on his technique. Soon he started to produce pronunciation videos outside the wine circle and even for other languages than French. As a third step, he started to make videos about trending topics and names.
Wait, he must have a pronunciation video even about his own name. Of course.
Julien Michel. Julien Michel is my name, and now you know.
As of today, he has more than 21,000 videos. That sounds a lot in comparison to the general YouTube personality. For example, MrBeast has 720, Marcus Brownlee has 1,428, Kurzgesagt has 155, David Dobrik 536, and even PewDiePie has only 4,469. So 21,000 seems a lot for a 2-year period. That is 28 videos per day. But only if you are comparing it to individual creators. If you look at corporations, you will see that they have been doing this for a long time. T-Series has 16,000, WWE has 60,000, Fox News has almost 80,000, and ABS Entertainment has 170,000.
Fun fact, these are not even the craziest numbers. Here are the top 10 channels with the most videos uploaded.
And Julien is not alone either in his genre. There are many similar pronunciation channels, and it seems that it is a lucrative business. Other similar channels include Pronunciation Manual, Pronunciation Dictionary, American Pronunciation Guide, Learning Family, and How to Say.
All these channels have one thing in common.
The top viewed pronunciation videos tend to belong to a certain category on all of these channels.
Mother Nature at its finest, I guess.
So the platform is definitely changing. Up to this point, everyone was chasing subscribers because that was a certain source of viewership. But it is not the case anymore. Today, most of the views come from the YouTube homepage and from searches. The subscriber list is getting less and less influential. Just check out, for example, PewDiePie. He has 111 million subscribers. Guess how many views he has on his videos? 100 million? Maybe 50 million? More like 2 million.
20
Yep.
Overall, I think this trend is great for YouTube. The algorithm is getting smarter and smarter, and people find what they are really interested in. High quality content finds its viewership even with no subscribers. Just look at my example. I posted my first serious video 2 months ago. I had 100 subscribers at the time, and the video has 11,000 views. Guess where those views are coming from? Surely not from my 100 subscribers. Search and YouTube homepage.
Nice. I just used myself as an example for high quality YouTube.
Quality control, myself good quality, sir.
YouTube channels are getting more similar to libraries than TV channels. There is even a new emerging industry where companies are purchasing whole YouTube libraries from different creators, hoping that the YouTube search engine keeps doing its thing and the catalog will keep generating money. Here are Colin and Samir telling you more about it.
Now, let me explain to you how that works. Jelly Smack will pay you money today to license the future AdSense earnings of your past videos. So Jelly Smack will have the right to collect the revenue from your past videos for the next 5 years, and you'll have access to cash today to invest in your business. You can rent a studio, produce more content, hire more employees, start a new business, invest in something that you believe in, or even put a down payment on a new house. Selected creators can get anywhere from $50,000 to millions of dollars to invest.
Until recently, everyone was trying to create channels where every single video was catered to the same audience. But now, when most of the views are coming from the unknown, we can diversify and create content that we are passionate about. There is even a new feature in the YouTube Studio that confirms this theory. When you upload your video, now you can choose not to share that video with your subscribers. Just throw it to the lions of the search engine. Even though I just explained to you why subscribers aren't that important anymore, I would still appreciate it if you would subscribe. YouTube is still growing rapidly and there are still immense opportunities for upcoming creators. The barrier to entry is dissolving by the day. With the current opportunities of the YouTube search engine and YouTube Shorts, it is easier than ever to find your audience and share your knowledge.
Again, it's not just about knowledge, it's about money.
At the end of the day, none of these things really matter.
If you are passionate about something and have useful insights, people will pay attention.
Still young, have some fun. Ain't nobody tell you how the West was won. Good odds multiply. Ain't nobody ever got the wings to fly. And love is hard to please. Everybody telling you that love is free. Ain't never rode the ride to the carnival inside your mind.
Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe. If you want to see more of my videos, check out this playlist. Stop it. Stop it. Stop.